Hello all, welcome back to our channel. This is Sujita from vsesilksarees. In this video, we are going to see pure handloom EMPOSSE soft silk sarees. All these sarees are EMPOSSE rich work sarees. So we are manufacturers of handloom soft silk sarees. We are uploading fresh collections daily in our YouTube channel. If you want to see all our collections, if you don't want to miss these collections, please do subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notification whenever we upload a video. Also, please do share this video with your friends and family if you like our collections. We have 5 different colors in this design. All these sarees are rich work sarees, pure handloom sarees, double warp EMPOSSE works. So these sarees comes with a SILKMARK certified tag. So let's see each sarees in detail. So we have 5 different colors. All are bright colors. All are full EMPOSSE works. This is the first saree. A beautiful pink pallu with an orange body. So all over the saree you will be getting a EMPOSSE work which is done very beautifully all over the saree. It has a leaf kind of design. In that you will be getting a mango motifs in a jari and thread work, and you will be getting a contrast blouse. This is the back side of the saree. As you can see, this EMPOSSE work comes all over the saree, so it looks very rich when you wear it. You can wear it for a grand occasion or grand wedding. This is the next color, the same pink pallu and blouse, and the body it is a kind of dual shade, kind of green and a blue mix. So all these sarees are double warp sarees, comes with a SILKMARK certified tag. So if you want to book any of these collections, please do take screenshot and text us on the WhatsApp. Our WhatsApp number is displayed in the screen. This is the back side of the saree. It looks very grand in this video itself. A kind of dual shade gives you a dual tone as it is a cross color. The next is a pink with a brown combination. The pallu and blouse comes in a pink, and the body it is a dark brown combination. In that you will be having an EMPOSSE work and a mango motifs in a jari and a thread work. So we are shipping all over India and we give international shipping as well. So you can book it from anywhere. So please don't wait it. This is the back side of the saree. Our shop is located in Sirumugai, Coimbatore district, Tamil Nadu. So you can visit us directly as well if you want to see any of our collections. And we do give for wholesale and resellers as well. So you can contact us for more details if you are watching this. Please do watch this video fully for all those color combinations. All these sarees price ranges from 6,500 to 7,000. Which is very reasonable price, so please don't miss these collections. A royal blue with a green combination, this saree. This is the back side of the saree you are seeing. So please do text us in the WhatsApp for the exact price and the booking. We are dispatching on the same day the payment is made, so please don't wait. This is the last color in this video. The body comes in a dual color. It's kind of violet with a green mix, bottle green mix. So this gives this color. These sarees has a tissue border on the both sides, as well as the blouse also you'll be getting a tissue border. This is the back side of the saree. Hope you like this collection. Please do share this video with your friends and family, and please do WhatsApp us for the booking. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.